Hello, dear children. I hope all of you are fit and fine and feeling healthy in this most crucial pandemic time. I wish all my students should remain healthy so that they can focus on their studies well. I suggest all of you to take healthy, nutritious and balanced diet which will help you to be healthy at this crucial moment of time. Let's continue the story where we left in the video 1. So, here, from here we have to start. He took me to his room over the Jamuna Street shop and told me he could sleep on the balcony, but the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to stray dog and told me to off. See, Anil took him to his home at Jamuna Street and he told him to be there at the balcony, that he can sleep at the balcony. And then he said that Hari is saying that whatever food, because he did not know how to cook food. So, whatever food he cooked for that day, that night, he could not eat it. Anil could not eat it and he had given it to the stray dogs, and he said that he should leave, because when he did not know how to cook food, what is the purpose of his coming there? But I just hung around, smiling in my most appealing way, and he could not help laughing. But he did not leave his place. He did not leave his place and he kept on lingering there, and he made such innocent face that Anil could not. Actually, Anil was a very gentle human being. He could not stop himself then laughing. Later, he patted on the head and said, "Never mind. He would teach me to cook. He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers." See, Anil was such a nice, gentle human being that he said, "Never mind, if you don't know how to cook food, no issues, I will tell you." He said he would teach him how to cook food. Not only it, he told him that he would tell him how to write also, and even he told him to write, he taught him to write his name. At the same time, he taught him how to do it properly, to write the complete sentences. So, meaning Anil had given, offered him his utmost help. And numbers also, he was telling, he will tell you how to subtract, add numbers. I was grateful. I know that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. But Hari Singh was a thief. He was not at all impressed with this wholeheartedness of Anil, but he said if he would get to know how to write, and then he would be able to cheat people in more no smart way. So he was very happy that Anil was trusting on him, and Anil was offering him so many help. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies, usually making a profit of about a rupee a day. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. Now, his life in Anil's house started. He was making his morning tea, and during daytime, he was going to purchase the things, household stuffs. And in this purchasing, he was maintaining 1 rupees every day. He was trying to save for himself. And he said that it seems that Anil was aware about this, that he was taking 1 rupee extra every time, but he did not mind. He did not say anything to him regarding this. Anil made money by fights, by fits and starts. He would borrow 1 week, lend the next. See, Anil was not a regular earning person. Anil was not regularly earning, or he was not getting any set salary every day. But Every now and then, sometime this, sometime other arrangement was happening with him, and this way he was able to earn. And he sometime he had to borrow, sometime he was lending money. There was not a set amount of money with what Anil was no earning. This is, but he was a gentle human being, and a big natured, big heart person. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go and out and celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazines, a queer way to make a living. See, Anil was every time worried about his check, meaning when he was going to get the another check, because there was not set amount of money he was getting. But the moment he was getting the money, he used to enjoy. He was a spend thrift. He was spending so much, and it seems that he was a writer and he was writing in magazine, and like this he was earning money. So dear children, we will do till yet today.